All right, big day indeed for Prime Minister Modi as his nomination process, or the celebration rather, begins in Varanasi. Several NDA bigwigs arriving for Modi's nomination. Massive show of strength in Varanasi. He's going to be flanked by nearly top 12 NDA chief ministers. In fact, Prime Minister Modi is all set to offer prayers at the Kal Bhairav temple. Home Minister Amit Shah, JP Nadda, Shinde, Pawan Kalyan, Rajnath Singh, all arriving to be part of this grand celebration in a way, when Prime Minister Modi, for the third time, seeking votes in Varanasi. He's won last two times with record margins. And here you're looking at a celebration and a show of strength undoubtedly by the NDA bigwigs. Nearly 12 chief ministers associated with the BJP who are going to be arriving into Varanasi today to be part and show support to Prime Minister Modi as he files his nominations.
विपक्ष का ये भी कहना है कि जो रिजर्वेशन है वो तो खत्म हो गई और साथ साथ में एससी और एसटी का पार्ट लेके रिजर्वेशन का वो मुस्लिम्स को
देखिए दे ट्राई टू क्रिएट अ फॉल्स नैरेटिव। मोदी जी ने भी स्पष्ट किया, मोहन भागवत जी ने भी किया, वी आर ऑल फॉर रिजर्वेशन एससी एसटी। नाउ दे हैव देयर ओन एजेंडा, सो दे आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट अ फॉल्स नैरेटिव। आज हमारा सौभाग्य है दैट we are the world's largest democracy, we are the mother of democracy, 96.88 crore registered voters, और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी अपना नॉमिनेशन भरने जा रहे हैं आज, और बहुत अच्छा और थर्ड टर्म की शुरुआत हो रही है। थैंक यू।
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के नॉमिनेशन में शामिल होने जा रहे हैं।
ये आज का दिन पूरे हमारे देशवासियों के लिए और एनडीए के लिए बहुत ही आनंद का दिन है, समाधान के दिन है और बहुत ही सौभाग्य का दिन है कि वो हम सब लोग हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जो दुनिया में लोकप्रिय है उनका पर्चा भरने जा रहे हैं, नॉमिनेशन।
अपोजिशन कह रहा है कि 400 सीटें नहीं आने जा रही हैं और इस बार प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बनेंगे। राहुल गांधी ने ये एक मीटिंग के अंदर कहा है।
अपोजिशन के लिए विपक्ष के जितने लोग लगते हैं उतने भी नहीं आएंगे।
चंद्रबाबू जी, आपके विधानसभा भी है एंड लोकसभा इलेक्शंस भी हैं, आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं इस नॉमिनेशन? How to is nomination? You are present in Prime Minister nomination.
This is a very good occasion. It is a historical place, and at the same time, Honorable Prime Minister has brought some stability for this country. This is the third time he is going to become Prime Minister again, and he is going to uplift the standards of living of people.
But Rahul Gandhi and opposition leader are saying is that India will get 400 seats. After that, you change the constitution.
No, PM has made it very clear where is the need to change the constitution. There is no need to change the constitution. All powers are vested in the constitution. PM is having all powers to exercise to develop the nation.
All right, where you have at least 12 NDA faces, chief ministers from different parties affiliated with the BJP or associated with the BJP who've pledged their allegiance all the way from 2019 to 2024. They've come together to be part of Prime Minister Modi's nomination in Varanasi. Let me cut across to Pallavi Saha, who's in Varanasi, joining us for more on that. We also have Piyush. Pallavi, over to you first. Of course, this is a test of the NDA alliance, the strength, and that's evident here that the BJP looking to boast of the kind of power that they exude right ahead of the fifth phase of Lok Sabha elections. And let's speak a little about the opposition, the India alliance members, several parties including Arvind Kejriwal trying to poke holes at the NDA strength, saying many of the NDA partners aren't really favouring the BJP after the first few phases of polls. And today we are going to see a show of strength. Is that a statement of sorts?
Well, definitely, yes. The BJP is trying to make a statement with the NDA show of strength here at the Prime Minister's nomination in Varanasi. Top leaders of the NDA, including Chandrababu Naidu, Pawan Kalyan, Chirag Paswan, Sanjay Nishad, O.P. Rajbhar, Praful Patel of the NCP faction, of Ajit Pawar's Eknath Shinde. They're all here in order to lend their support and extend their support to the Bharatiya Janata Party and show that they're a formidable house as far as an alliance goes. And the Prime Minister's vision of 400 plus seats for the NDA will be a reality on June 4th. And that is why you're seeing this massive show of strength by all of these top leaders who've already arrived here at the nomination center. Obviously, the topmost leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party will also be present, including National President JP Nadda, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has arrived over here as well. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be present, as will be other chief ministers, including Bhajan Lal Sharma from Rajasthan, Mohan Yadav from Madhya Pradesh, Vishnu Devsai from Chhattisgarh, Devendra Fadnavis, Deputy Chief Minister of the state of Maharashtra. They're all going to be here in order to showcase that this is a house that stands intact, and they do believe that they're crossing the 400 mark. So a huge message which is being sent out over here with the Prime Minister's nomination filing, which is expected to happen in a short while from now. It's a little past 11 a.m. in the morning. The time that they'd allotted for the Prime Minister to be here at the nomination centre is between 11:30 to 11:50. We believe that Shubh Muhurat, that auspicious moment, is 11:40 a.m. when he will be signing on those papers, where he will be filing his nomination for the third consecutive time from the Varanasi Lok Sabha constituency.
Well, interesting. The third consecutive time in 2019, we believe his vote share was 63.9%. Record margins that he won by. The third term that Prime Minister Modi is seeking from Varanasi. Ahead of this big nomination, Prime Minister Modi offered prayers at the Ghat on the banks of River Ganga. He's also performed Aarti at the Ghat amid chantings of Vedic mantras. He will also take a dip in the Ganga at Namo Ghat. That's scheduled as the day progresses. Modi will also be offering prayers at the Kal Bhairav temple before he files his nomination papers. Security has also meanwhile tightened at the temple ahead of Prime Minister's visit. Modi is set to file his nomination precisely at 11:40 a.m. today. That's another half an hour to go before he arrives at the office. Modi is going to be flanked by at least 12 NDA faces, top chief ministers, different states. In fact, Modi at this point is looking for a third term. He is a sitting MP and a candidate from Varanasi, which goes to polls right to the fag end, 1st of June. Piyush Mishra joining us for more on that. Piyush, a holy dip there by Prime Minister Modi in River Ganga, carrying out his pujas. It's auspicious and a celebration, to say the least, for Modi and the NDA members. Many of them, in fact, Chandrababu Naidu, I heard him speak. He's just completed his elections in Andhra Pradesh. He says Varanasi is a beautiful city. It's also eye-catching, temple town, for NDA netas to come down, support Prime Minister Modi, and also be part of all the celebratory images.
Well, absolutely, and remember, Nabila, that in the past few years, we have seen how Prime Minister has been able to make a very good connect between Kashi and South. He has been venturing on the projects like Kashi Tamil Sangamam and many other projects which makes a huge connect between Kashi and South, and people from South are now visiting in large numbers to Kashi. Right now, I'm present at Kal Bhairav Temple, and Prime Minister, after offering prayers here at Dashwamesh Ghat, will be coming here, and there's a lot of importance of this very place. Before, if you talk about this place, people of Varanasi tell us that there is a say in Banaras that if you go for doing any kind of auspicious thing, be it about marriage or business or about filing nomination or you are beginning anything, you have to seek permission and blessing of Lord Kal Bhairav, and that is what is being followed by Prime Minister during his last 2 times nomination filing. Also, we saw Prime Minister coming here and seeking blessings and permission from Kal Bhairav, and that is what Prime Minister will be doing in a few minutes from now. Let me try to show you pictures also. That is the entry point of Sri Kal Bhairav Mandir, from where Prime Minister's convoy will be entering towards the temple premises, and you can see how security arrangements have been put in place. Senior police officers have been deployed here, RAF personnel have been deployed here. People, in fact, have been asked to remain in corners, and barricades have been put up here so that there is no law and order situation. But people are very much excited to catch just one glimpse of their leader. You see, they are standing here for the past 2 to 3 hours, and there's a lot of excitement on the faces of these Kashi Nivasis. They are very much elated about the fact that Prime Minister is coming here, and there are chants of Har Har Mahadev and Kal Bhairav Bhagwan Ki Jai. So this shows the kind of excitement which is there among the people of Varanasi, where they just want to catch one glimpse of their member of parliament and the person who has also been fielded once again by Bharatiya Janata Party. So after visiting here, offering prayers here, Prime Minister will be directly heading to Collectorate office at around 11:40. That is the auspicious time which has been given by the priest, and at that particular time Prime Minister will be filing his nomination. There are 4 proposers who will be going with Prime Minister, and at the same time there will be top leadership of BJP present as Prime Minister files his nomination. 12 NDA chief ministers and many union ministers will also be present during that entire process. So we are also showing you the security arrangements which have been made here. In few minutes from now, the convoy will be coming here, and then Prime Minister will be going inside from the very particular gate.
Full security
all
deployment there, not taking
put
any
in
chance.
place,
It's really a high-profile nomination. One, of course, it's the Prime Minister who's going to be filing his nomination from Varanasi. He's also going to be flanked with nearly 12 chief ministers, all coming in from different parts of India. A big show of the NDA strength.